Big Ben's under construction. Carly's a little displeased. Just like Trevi Fountain. So the Trevi Fountain's under construction. Carly's a little displeased.
Beach somewhere. I think I forgot to tell you. I found that list on my phone of places in London you wanted to go. Those tourist shops around Camden Town. Take a late night ride on the underground. See the gardens and drink warm beer. I know you would die if you knew I was here. I feel so helpless and I feel so far away. If you knew where I was, I wonder what you'd say. I feel guilty and I don't know how to tell you. I saw London without you. I saw London without you. Everything here makes me miss you. I can picture us still in love, holding hands on a rooftop bus. I haven't posted any pictures, cause there's a part of me that still believes I'll bring you back to these tourist shops around Camden Town. Take a late night ride on the underground. See the gardens and drink warm beer. I would give the world, God, I wish you were here. I feel so helpless and I feel so far away. If you knew where I was, I wonder what you'd say. I feel guilty and I don't know how to tell you. I saw London without you.
Made it to Wales. Learned there isn't much public transportation here, so we rented a car. Carly's killing it, driving on the left-hand side, and we got a free upgrade to a Mercedes. Driving in style.
LA on a Saturday night in the summer. Sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and they rented Hummers. The party's on, so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I love it. We're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. Yeah, you look stunning, dear, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become beautiful people. Top designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people. Champagne and rolled up nose, prenups and broken homes. Surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Drove for hours last night and we made it nowhere. Now I see stars in your eyes when we're halfway there. Now I'm not fazed by all the lights and flashing cameras, cause with my arms around you, there's no need to care. We don't fit in well, we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation here. You look stunning, please, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become.
So about 30 minutes back, Jake lost his wallet. We are in the middle of nowhere, Wales. So we turned around and we went to our photo spot where he stood right here. And there we found his wallet. I don't know if you can see it. In a bush.
Beautiful people, top designer clothes, front row fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people, champagne and rolled up nose, prenups and broken homes, surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. I drove for hours last night and we made it nowhere. Now I see stars in your eyes when we're halfway there. Now I'm not fazed by all the lights and flashing cameras, 'cause with my arms around you, there's no need to care. We don't fit in well, we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation here. Your look's stunning, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become beautiful people. Top designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people, champagne and rolled up nose, prenups and broken homes, surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. We are not beautiful. Right when I wake up, I'm feeling way too much, hoping I can work my way around. Know I made mistakes, promises I break, but I'm just a man. Living's more than enough. I feel better when I never planned it. Don't wanna give it too much, 'cause whatever I give more is taken. But I keep on but I keep on living on a dream, right where I should be. Nothing could be better here and now. And even when it ends, another life begins. 'Cause I was just a man.